Hello, welcome to my video. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Disclaimer, remember that this video is purely my speculation and what I truly believe in. If you buy Bitcoin now, you could lose money in the short term because it's ridiculous and dangerously expensive right now. I made an old video on July 14, 2017, Bitcoin, saying that I believe Bitcoin is our future and will be worth $100,000 in 5 years. The next day, July 15, 2017, the Bitcoin currency crashed from $4,000 USD to $2,000 USD. I was thinking of buying some, but I was scared at the fact that someone might hack me and steal my Bitcoin. Then in the month of November, my cousin was going crazy about Bitcoin and how it will be our future. I also believe that Bitcoin will also be our future, so I went to the bank and asked if I could buy Bitcoin through them. Unfortunately, the bank is not allowed to deal with the cryptocurrency. The lady at the counter told me that her husband wire transferred money to Japan to buy Bitcoin. I was not going to wire my money to some foreign country to buy Bitcoin, so I gave up and watched a painful increase in Bitcoin prices. On December 7, 2017, more than $70 million worth of Bitcoin was stolen from a cryptocurrency mining service called NiceHash following a security breach, causing the company to halt operations for at least 24 hours. Roughly 4,700 Bitcoins were stolen from the site's account, the CEO said. Bitcoin surpassed $17,000 USD. After the hacking incident, Bitcoin started to move on a downward trend. I still believe Bitcoin will be a part of our future and will still hit 100,000 in 5 years. At the moment, I believe Bitcoin is in a correction in price. Bitcoin has been around for a long time, and eventually it will be regulated by the banks and governments one day. With the rise of artificial intelligence, it seems appropriate for it to be a part of our future. NVIDIA has just announced their latest Titan graphics card based on the Volta GPU architecture, the Titan V. The NVIDIA Titan V features the latest GPU technology such as the 12nm Volta GPU architecture, coupled with lots of HBM2 memory. This card is rumored to be 3 times more powerful than the NVIDIA GTX 1080 Ti, their current best video card. This card will cost $3,000 and is designed for high-performance computing and AI development. Some may call me crazy, but I truly believe in 5 to 10 years, robots will be running our lives. On September 20th, 2017, there was a report by CNBC stating that Tesla is working with AMD to develop its own AI chip for self-driving cars. Sanhei Jia, CEO of AMD's spin-off and chip fabricator GlobalFoundries, said at the company's technology conference in Santa Clara, California, mentioned Tesla as an example of companies that were working with their fabricators. The next day, GlobalFoundries said that Jia's remarks were misreported and denied that the company was working directly with Tesla. AMD and Tesla declined to comment. I believe this news is real, and both companies are not reporting it until they have a working semi-custom chip to show off to the public. So I also believe that Intel is also helping with the project, but only time will tell if this becomes a reality. On November 5th, 2017, AMD showed off a video called AMD VFX and Broadcast Showreel 2017. This video had both Tesla and Honda cars, so I believe AMD also has a partnership with Honda, or else they would not showcase the car in this video. Right now, the cheapest way to gamble on artificial intelligence as our future is to buy AMD stock. Nvidia may seem safer because they make so much money, but AMD is working with almost every big tech company: Intel, Honda, Tesla, Apple, and even Qualcomm. If AMD crashes to $7, I will definitely pick up more shares. I see AMD having a very successful 2018. At AMD's current stock price of $9.94, I believe the stock is a good buying opportunity right now. But the stock market is unpredictable and anything could happen. Tesla CEO Elon Musk promised full self-driving cars will be available to consumers in 2019. So in 2 years, we will have a car that is capable of driving itself, and we can go to sleep and wake up and be at our destination. I plan to pick up a self-driving Tesla car in 2019. I am very excited for the future and hope everything will be awesome. I want to share a little story about a missed opportunity in my early days of stock market investing. On October 24th, 2012, I saw a South Park episode called A Nightmare on FaceTime. The show was on how Netflix is putting Blockbuster out of business. After watching the South Park episode, I got an idea to invest in Netflix. Since I was new to the stock market back then and didn't know much about the stock market, I was planning to invest into the company. I saw that stock had a massive dip and was trading at $61.50. I was scared because the price seemed kind of high, so I wanted to seek out advice from my mom's friend who was in the stock market a lot longer than me. She told me it was a dangerous stock to buy and she assumed there was insiders selling their stocks. She told me not to buy it. 1 year later, the stock took off and was trading at $350. I was pissed that I missed a big opportunity to make a lot of money in the early stages of my trade. There's a lot of opportunities to make money in life. If you invested in Bitcoin in 2010, you could have bought one coin for 6 cents and be super rich unless someone hacked you and stole all your Bitcoin. Aurora was once trading at 40 cents and now they're trading somewhere between $5 to $8. In the future, possibly $15 to $25, then $50 to $100. At least this is what I believe, unless something horrible happens to the company. Ultimately, I believe I will be super rich in the next 5 years, but you guys have to remember this is a business and can have unforeseen risks that could happen. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs down if you disliked this video. Please subscribe for future updates. A happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year.